Ever wondered what it takes to become a geospatial analyst in India? Geospatial analysts hold a significant role, dealing with geographical data or GIS data, crucial in sectors like urban planning, environmental management, and disaster response. If you're intrigued by this career, let's explore how to embark on this journey. After completing your Class 13, the first step towards becoming a geospatial analyst is obtaining the right educational qualifications. If you have interest in economics, this expertise can also be of great value. A bachelor's degree in disciplines such as geography, geology, or environmental science is paramount. These fields equip you with the essential knowledge and skills to effectively decipher and manipulate geographical data. This comprehensive program typically spans over 3 years, interweaving theoretical understanding with practical applications in the realm of geospatial analysis. If you choose economics as a subject, it can complement your understanding of geographical trends and patterns. Choosing the right degree program after Class 13 and economics is the first step towards your career as a geospatial analyst. Now that you know the required degree, let's delve into how to secure a seat in these programs. Admission procedures can vary widely, from merit-based selection to entrance exams or even direct admission. Each university has its own policy, so it's important to research and prepare accordingly. Remember, this isn't just about getting into college, it's about opening the door to a world of possibilities in geospatial analysis. Securing admission into the program is your gateway to the world of geospatial analysis. India houses several prestigious institutions that offer these courses. The Institute of Environment Education and Research at Pune University, Symbiosis Institute of Geoinformatics in Pune, Birla Institute of Technology in Jharkhand, and SEPTI University in Ahmedabad are among the top picks. After graduating, you can explore opportunities in government entities or private companies specializing in GIS applications. These industries heavily rely on the skills of a geospatial analyst. With the right education and opportunities, you are all set to launch your career as a geospatial analyst. Embarking on the journey to becoming a geospatial analyst in India involves careful planning and commitment. From choosing the right educational path to identifying potential job opportunities, each step is crucial. With the right guidance and determination, you can navigate your path towards a successful career in geospatial analysis.